Hi, I'm John Tomaz from Wardwell Braiding Company, a manufacturer of braiding machines, spiraling equipment, and rewinders from Central Falls, Rhode Island since 1911. We were exhibiting at Interwire in Atlanta with the German group member companies, Sket from Magdeburg and Sperke Schnellflester from Berlin. We have a couple of pieces of equipment on display. A Speedmaster 150, 16 carriers equipped with special features, special fine wire carriers, an automatic lubrication system, a longitudinal taping device, and a motorized wind-up with a rolling ring traverse. We also have a traditional 24 carrier Maypole style braider equipped with all the safety features, a motorized capstan, and a motorized wind-up. This is the ideal machine or piece of equipment for a lab environment or R&D, where you can change materials, you can change size of products or core, and the picks per inch or braid angle. Interwire is a biennial show held in Atlanta, Georgia. It's a premier event for us to showcase our equipment to our customers in North America. The motto of this year's exhibition is Next Gen, or Next Generation. It's a prelude to the next generation of cables, of materials to cover those cables, and of equipment to make it. The choice and use of these materials depends on the application. The materials that we shielded the cables with are used in the aerospace, military, medical, and standard wire and cable applications. Today, everyone expects and demands equipment that can handle more materials. They want to make it faster and less expensive. This is what we are working on at Wardwell, trying to meet customers' expectations and looking ahead to the next generation that we're going to see down the road. Over the last 3 days, we've seen many current and potential customers. We've listened to their feedback and their new ideas for new products and new applications. Some of them even sound more like pie in the sky, but they may be the standard application of tomorrow. For these and other solutions, come and visit us at Wardwell. You can reach us at www.wardwell.com. Thank you.